All right, YouTube, 106 Falconer, back with another freaking exciting video, a man cooking video. I broke out vinegar a little bit ago this evening to make some weed killer. And then I was like, fuck, I'm hungry, I gotta deep fry something. So, because the vinegar there, with my half and half, and then you add a little flour. Anyways, so I'm gonna deep fry up some mushrooms and some chicken drumsticks. Really easy, really quick, and cheap. So what I do is take a cup of half and half and add a cup of half and half, add a tablespoon of vinegar to it, stir it up a little bit, let it sit, starts turning into almost like cottage cheese. Nice. Then 1 cup of flour and a cup and a half of this breadcrumb crap here. Coat them up, throw them in the deep fryer. Mushrooms about 4 minutes. The drumsticks about 13 minutes. Freaking comes out tits, man. Freaking awesome. And the thing is, I like drumsticks. The old lady hates drumsticks. She's like, I want chicken wings. Well, this thing here is like 3.5 pounds for $1.70 of drumsticks. Here we go. So I bought her some chicken wings. We got 1 3/4 pounds, 1.77 pounds. Freaking on sale, manager special, $5.29. Normally these things are like $6.99 for a pack of these freaking things. This freaking drumsticks, that's a regular price, you know, under $2. So it's like, what the hell, man? You know, get over it. Eat freaking drumsticks. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna throw some throw my shrooms in the mix. Oh, when you put your vinegar in you can use regular milk. I like half and half just because you know, whatever. I mean, I don't eat this stuff all the time, but when I do, I want it to taste good. So put your vinegar in half and half mix, stir it up, so let it sit like 5-10 minutes so it starts getting like cottage cheese. So anyways, we'll just throw these freaking shrooms in there, hopefully without splashing. Well, I'm sure you get the gist, man. Soak them up, get them nice and coated with all that freaking cardiac arrest goodness on there. And we coat them up. I like to do the flour with the seasoning so that everything gets coated. I mean, there's other recipes where you dip them in egg and then flour and then breading or whatever, but whatever, you know. That's how I like to do it. So you get yourself a nice coated shroom. Got a couple pans here with parchment paper on there so I don't have to wash them. And shit, had a bunch come off. Anyway, so let me get the rest of these coated up. I'll be back. All right, so got everything breaded up. Got the shrooms, got the chick there. Just make sure when you do it, you know, use one hand to put the crap in your juice there, drop it in there, and then use your other hand to get the breading on there, so you don't get sticky crap all over the freaking place. All right, let me go out, fire up the deep fryer, and we'll be back, and I'll show you just how damn good these things turn out. Back in a minute. See ya. All right, well, I'm waiting for the deep fryer to heat up. I cleaned up the stuff I used, which is a freaking snap, man. Just freaking dump the flour and crap out, rinse the shit under water, take a paper towel, dry it, and then when the old lady says, did you do the dishes? Did you clean? Yeah, I did it. And so I throw them back in the cupboard so she don't know no better. Freaking, I mean, the whole thing's freaking easy peasy, man. So, all right, let me, God, I can't wait till this gets done. All right, back in a minute. All right, well, the oil is ready for the shrooms there. I got it at 375. Now when I go to do the chicken, I'm going to cut it down to in between 375 and 350. The oil, this oil overwintered. We used it, it was near the end of football season. I put fresh oil in there, so it's still good. It's all good. So now I'll throw these in there for like 4 minutes, and I'll be back. All right, well, the shrooms are done. Let me try this little piece here. Oh, that's freaking good. All right, let me get checking out. I'll be back in a minute. All right, so the drumsticks, I only do 2 per basket. So I got 2 baskets, so I got to do an individual one all by itself. So it'll be 13 minutes for these 4, and then 13 minutes for that last one. So I'll be back in a minute. There we go. The 4 are out. Man, they freaking smell good. Break into this. Ooh. It's really good chicken. So, anyways, that's it, man. Easy peasy. Knock your socks off. Have fun. See ya, bitches.